This is a recap for the City of Cohasset City meeting at Tuesday, October 12th, 2021. Tonight, we had a public hearing to hear Huber Engineering Wood Development Assessment Worksheet. Went through on what we had to do for our next step of putting in the building. We proved on the agenda, we proved the EDA grant to support the visit of the City of Grand Rapids. And then we had a resignation of our Finance Director, Nina Newman, and acknowledged the firefighter resignation of Jason Tabaka. We approved a volunteer appreciation dinner at Florio's on December 11th, 2021. And we approved the purchase of a Zoll AED Plus for the daycare center over in the new Cohasset Community Center. And that was about it for our meeting tonight. It went smooth, quick, and fast. So that would be the recap for our meeting.